Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete duplicate files on Android phone. Okay, first of all, we can open our file manager or my file application on our Android phone. This is my files application, and we have to click on the manage storage option right here. Okay. And since we want to delete all our duplicate files on our Android phone, we have to click on duplicate files right here. And here, if you want to clear all your duplicate files or delete all your duplicate files, you can click on select all duplicates. Okay, and after all the duplicate files have been selected, you can click on delete files right here. Then after you click on delete, all your duplicate files on your Android phone will be deleted. Alright guys, and that's how we can delete all duplicate files on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.